Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa, a naturopathic doctor, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite mushrooms for cognitive health and immune support, and that's lion's mane. Lion's mane is a medicinal mushroom that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It supports your brain by promoting the growth and repair of neurons, and it helps to support your immune system. Let's first talk about brain health. Lion's mane helps to support the production of nerve growth factor, or NGF. And you can think of NGF like a miracle grow for your neurons. It helps to protect and maintain the cells of your brain. Research shows that lion's mane may help to improve cognition, memory, and focus, especially in those experiencing cognitive decline. But even if your brain does feel sharp, this mushroom can still help with that edge during stressful periods or during highly demanding mental periods. So if you're juggling work, school, or just trying to stay mentally clear and focused, lion's mane is one of my go-to tools. Now let's talk about lion's mane and immune health. Like many medicinal mushrooms, lion's mane contains beta-glucans, which are an important natural polysaccharide that helps to modulate the immune system. This means that it helps to keep your immune response balanced, not overactive or underactive. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to reduce oxidative stress in the body and the brain. So while it's giving your neurons some love, it's also helping your body's defense system. Now let's talk about how to take it. Lion's mane comes in capsules, powders, tinctures, and even some in coffee. I usually look for a dual extracted product that includes the fruiting body, as that's where most of the active compound lives. A typical dose is between 500 and 1,000 milligrams daily, but sometimes more depending on what your goals are. And remember, this mushroom is best taken consistently over time. Lion's mane is generally well tolerated. However, if you're pregnant, nursing, or on immunosuppressants, make sure to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Lion's mane is one of nature's smartest tools for immune resilience and mental clarity. So whether you're studying, working through brain fog, or just trying to stay healthy during cold and flu season, it's definitely a supplement worth knowing. Have you tried lion's mane before? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.